Hi guys. How you all doing? I'm good myself. For those of you who have been on this channel for more than a week now, I'm sure you would remember this setup that I posted a few days back, where I just wanted to show you that the way I teach or the stuff that I teach, it applies anyway. It does not matter which chart that you look at. So I tried that. I did the analysis on Bitcoin, and the prediction was that it's going to do something like this and go maybe at least there. And you can see now it is doing exactly that. It turned exactly here, and then now we are here. It can still struggle to pass here, but if it passes there, then it will get to the target that we had predicted. So that's all that I wanted to show you, that guys, it does not matter. It does not matter whether you are someone that trades stocks, the structure, the way you do a market analysis in terms of you reading the price action. If you're a price action trader, you should be able to come up with trades on any time, any chart that you can look at. And for those that are in the mentorship, they will know that when I teach, I make sure like I will try and show you different scenarios, so that even when you are alone, you can be able to tackle any possible scenario. So this is how I came about this trade, right? So Bitcoin for a while now on higher time frame has been dropping, and we said we wish that it can come to this one on monthly. This is the area that makes sense, or this is the support on monthly, and this is the resistance on monthly. So we just hope that it can get here, then that it's sort of reset, and then maybe from there it will carry on going up. But again, we know that the price does not move in a straight line. It can still turn in the middle of nowhere. The same way here, it went down, yes, but it didn't just go down. It went down, paused, went down. So maybe it will pause also before coming down. But we just hope that it gets. If it doesn't get there, it's fine. But that's where you hope that it gets. And on weekly, the price turned at a very nice weekly area here. I'm not gonna mark it because I'm just trying to show you this one here, and this is the one there. I'm saying on weekly, this is the support, this is the resistance. This one, remember, it's a monthly one. So on weekly, it looks like it's most likely gonna go to that one. From here, we'll see if it wants to go to the monthly one, or if it's gonna go down and maybe hit this one, because remember, this is the one that we're interested in and wish that the price can get there. So that's all that you have on monthly. And when I did the analysis, when I made the prediction, we were on this one. And if you still remember, this is what I said. I said, you need to be able to draw a trend line on each and every time frame. So because we're trading on a daily, this was the daily trend line passing like that, and it got broken. It got broken the day the price did this. And when the price was moving down, this was the nearest area of resistance. The price tried to break it a couple of times and it failed, like here and here it failed, but eventually it broke it, right? And then when you check in nicely, you see that the price started from here, it went up, and then it paused, and then it went up. After that pause, that's when the market went up and broke the trend line. And again, even going up like that, it even removed the area of resistance that's been holding for a while. So you need to understand that the day the price did that, that's when you were like, this area of support is it's a very key area. Why? Because it removed the trend line, and it also removed resistance. So should the price come back to it, you are more than welcome to buy from this because of what it achieved. So that's when the time when I did the analysis, the price was around here, and we say, if it's there, it's giving us any pin bars and stuff like that, we are not interested in that. We want it here. We are not gonna try and buy there. We want it here. Then that's where we expect it to go up. And you can see that currently it is doing exactly that. It is doing exactly that. And remember, when you are trading here, I just wanted to show you guys, it does not matter what you like. If you're someone that trades currencies, you can still approach them this way. And if you're interested in learning this style of trading, you can just contact me or leave a comment, and then I'll get back to you, so that I can give you more information regarding the program, the mentorship program that I have now with there's a first group that I'm currently busy with, and we've been together for, I think we're going for the 4th week now, and I'm happy with how they are viewing the markets now. But they are not yet there, but we'll get there. So if you manage to get a trade from this, right, as much as we are targeting this weekly here, But you can't ignore the fact that the price last time it turned here and it didn't have anything. It was just turning in the middle of nowhere. So what if there's something here and the price reverses again? You must always ask yourself that question, which is why when you're buying, you can't ignore this. This has to be your TP1. And if it gets broken, you know it has high chances of hitting that, then that can be your final TP, which is TP2. You see? But I hope now you can see that it does not matter the chart. If you have the right knowledge, you can analyze any chart using price action and still get it right and still come up with the high odd setups, which is what I've been sharing here, guys. I don't know if you still have any doubts. I don't know, because I've been sharing. If you've been following this channel, you know that I've been sharing a lot of setups, and if you follow up on them, you can see the price behaving exactly like that most of the time. At least even if it doesn't do that, I'll tell you that maybe here this one does not look very nice, wait for confirmation and stuff like that. But if you don't have confirmation, you don't trade. But yes, sometimes you might lose lose one or two setups, but for as long as you're winning more than you're taking the losses, which is a good thing, that's all that you want, winning more than you're taking the losses, then you should have progress. So this was another successful setup, and the results here, you can see that they speak for themselves. We got it right. So this is what I teach. This is how you should view the markets. Don't get confused, or I don't know, sometimes people get, I don't know, when they view the market, they just feel like they can't make sense of what is happening here. You should just approach it and say, okay, take a step back, this is what is happening. Okay, I think from here, this is what the price is most likely gonna do, and then you go with that approach. Because if you just go and say I'm gonna buy or I'm gonna sell without even doing a thorough analysis, checking the other time frames, you're going to fall into a trap of saying that I'm buying and the price is hitting a very strong area of resistance, and that's where you're going to lose, you see. So I hope this is gonna open your eyes and encourage you into being able to read the structure on any chart that you like. Usually I like Nasdaq, I like US 30, I like VIX 75. Those are the ones that I always view here. But here I just wanted to show you that I can even apply the same knowledge on Bitcoin and still yield positive results, of which you can see it here, because the analysis is the video that I made, the prediction. We made the video I think 3 days back. So that's it, guys. I hope you have learned something, and like I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in the mentorship, you'll just leave a comment and then I'll get back to you. And then do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll still bring more concepts and more videos through, so that we share ideas. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Sharp.